Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the channel. I'll tell you what, if you're looking for low-cost housing in the heart of St. Petersburg, Florida, you want to make sure that you watch the entire virtual tour, as this home definitely meets that criteria. I'm talking about you have within walking distance of your house, the front door, shopping, dining, area attractions, local beaches are about 15 minutes away. If you're flying in or flying out, the Tampa International Airport's about 20 minutes away from your front door. So great location here. The park has a pool that's about 2 streets over. So you have a fantastic location in a quiet part of the park. Where we find ourselves today is at Robert's Mobile Home Park here in St. Petersburg. Lot 627 provides a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, fully rebuilt home. I'm talking about new AC, new screens on the Florida room, new flooring, updated kitchen, updated bath, you name it. This home packs a ton of punch in a very low-cost home. Now, folks, if you're new to the channel, thanks so much for coming and hanging out. We greatly appreciate you checking out the Mobile Home Dealer's content. Hey, you do us a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. That way you're up to speed with everything that we're doing here at the Mobile Home Dealer. Whether we are showcasing some of the most beautiful homes, checking out the parks, or providing the best education in the entire industry, we are your one-stop shop for everything in the manufactured home space. So thanks so much for coming on the journey here with the Mobile Home Dealer. And if you're ready, I'm ready. And welcome to the virtual tour here of lot 627 here at Robert's Mobile Home Park in beautiful St. Petersburg, Florida. Now, before we take a quick tour on the outside, let's go ahead and get an idea of exactly where this home is located in the park. A very quiet side street. We have featured Roberts dozens of times on the channel. You come up to the end of the street, you take a right, there's your pool, there's your main entrance. This side here, quiet side street, come up here, take a left, there's gonna be your main entrance to the park as well, coming up from the back side, about 3 streets away. So not a whole lot of side traffic that's coming through, that is for darn sure. Now this 1-bed, 1-bath home, we're gonna take a quick tour on the outside and show you some of the features of it. Now, as we come around the side of the home, you're going to see we have the parking pad for this home right next door. Storm shutters are in good shape. You're going to see the gas tanks in the back side here. Okay, that means the stove is going to be running on gas. So we peer around the back side of the home here. Plenty of space in the backyard for you. Nice Rubbermaid shed that's going to be coming with the home. Take a quick tour on the inside of that. Great place to store your beach stuff, your bicycles, you name it. Extra outdoor dining area here. Of course, this is going to be your parking pad right outside of your front door. Now, as we rear into the home, this is going to be a park model home, folks. We featured, probably about 200 of these on the channel over the years. Big fan of park models because you get a lot of bang for your buck, especially when the owners finish out the Florida room. Okay, so as you see, this is going to be a screened-in porch. No rips or tears to speak of in the screens. Everything is in great functional order. But if you're a veteran of the channel, you're going to know how much I like park models. Especially, I like park models that have tons of power. Okay, so we got power outlets all over the place, nearly doubling the size of the home here. Separate entrance on the back side is providing another entrance to the home. But take a look on this remodel, guys. Take a look at that. I don't know that we've ever seen a remodel on a park model home that is this modern, that is this trendy. I think it looks absolutely fantastic all the way throughout. So with that being said, let's jump into it. The vast majority of the furniture is going to stay with the home. Okay, so other than personal items, the furniture is going to stay. I want to point out that we do have real wood blinds here. As I veer over here, we do have the mini split that was recently updated as well in the home. So you're going to have mini split air for folks who are new to this channel or new to this type of living. It's going to run similarly to that of a window unit, okay? But it's going to provide a lot better airflow, and it also has its own heat strip. So it's going to keep you nice and cool, keep you a little toasty on some of the cooler mornings that you have here. The flooring has been updated as well, overflooring and subflooring. But take a look at these cabinets in this kitchen, guys. Looking absolutely fantastic, fully gutted kitchen, newer appliances. I do want to point out a big selling point on this is going to be that the plumbing has been already done in the house. That's where you see the dishwasher there, the Whirlpool dishwasher. Of course, we do have the gas range there, so all you cooks, you'll be thrilled about that. Real stone tile backsplash with the updated countertops. Looking sharp. Full-size refrigerator. A lot of times in park models, you're not going to have a full-size refrigerator. This one does. You got the new cabinets all the way throughout. Coffee bar on the side there. Now, as we come on through to the other part of the home, fully redone bathroom. The new subfloors carry on over here. We have an updated shower stall there with a very low entry, as you see there. New toilet, new vanity there. And again, with the tile backsplash carrying it over to that side. The great thing about park models, guys, is it's a smaller space, but you have tons of storage. Side-by-side closet here, which is going to take us directly into the master bedroom. And again, we do have the accent wall there. We have the updated flooring and subflooring here. They did the built out on the storage area, so you got 3 Chester drawers there. Then a custom built out that they put in on the corner. Okay, and I'll pan around here as well to give you an idea just how much space this is. And then you get the side-by-side dresser there and the extra cubbies on top. Okay, so tons and tons and tons of storage. Great place to call home, whether as a full-time resident or a seasonal resident, that is for darn sure. Now, like I said earlier, folks, Roberts is going to be smack dab in the center of everything that St. Petersburg, Florida has to offer. Clearwater, Largo, those areas are going to be a stone's throw away. Tampa International Airport about 20 minutes away as well. So great location here. Ton of bang for your buck here at 627. And again, with this built-out Florida room, you can just do a ton of different things here. With the separate entrance, you could wall this off. You can put glass windows, make it a whole separate living area, secondary bedroom, kind of a hangout spot, you name it. So just tons and tons of opportunity here at lot 627 for you. That is for sure. Now, I know what you're saying, folks. Okay, Mark, you're close to everything here in St. Petersburg. Got a lot of updates as far as the rebuilt bathroom, rebuilt kitchen there. Okay, you got a new AC unit. You got the redone screens. How much is this going to cost? But it's going to cost a ton. Well, no, it's not, to be direct. But before we get to the numbers section, if you're new to the channel, always make sure you check out our website, guys. We'll put it on the bottom of the screen. sellmobilehome.com. You always want to check out our website because that'll have the most updated numbers for this home and all the other properties. So always check out the site, sellmobilehome.com. But at the time of this listing, guys, we're going to the market under 20,000. That's right, 19,900 for this home. Lot rent's going to run you about $650. Okay, about $650 on the lot rent, under 20 grand on the price of this home for lot 627. So if that home is of interest for you or somebody that you know, go ahead and give Bob a call or send him a text message. We'll put his contact in the lower right-hand corner. He's the team member who's going to be handling this listing. He's doing a fantastic job running through St. Petersburg, and we are thrilled to have him on the team. He will be more than happy to take care of you there. So reach out to Bob. Let him know that you have questions about lot 627. He'll be happy to take care of you. And as always, folks, my name is Mark. You've been with the Mobile Home Dealer. We'll see y'all on the next one.